Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display or set custom header on all single product pages or specific product pages in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in single product page, product code, and then you see footer. Now go to another product page and then you see footer. So this is our default footer. So we are going to display different or custom footer on all single product pages or specific product page. Now go to footer. So this is our default footer. Now go to another footer. So we created this and then click on publish. Now you see where do you want to display your template, add condition. Now you see include entire site. Now select. And then you see WooCommerce. Now select. Now you see entire shop. Now select. You see multiple option. Product archive, product category, product. Now select product and then you see all. So first we are going to display custom footer on all single product pages. Now click on save and close. Now update done. Go to single product page, refresh the page, go to another single product page, refresh the page, and then you see go to another product page. Now go to footer again and then you see update, save option, so click on it, display condition, so click on it, and then you see where do you want to display your template, all. Now click on it. Now write product name, code. So we are going to display this custom footer on specific product page. Now select code and then click on save and close. Now update done. Go to single product page and refresh the page. Go to another product page and refresh the page. Now you see this is our default footer. Now go to specific product single page and then you see this is our custom footer. So it's up to you. If you want, you can display custom footer on all product pages or specific product page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.